Hey guys, so I just thought I'd make a quick video on the new steering wheel that I got installed about 2 weeks ago. So I got this off VQVortex.com. This is basically a carbon fiber steering wheel. It's got the flat bottom, so they shaved the bottom, which is really nice. It's a lot thicker wheel than the stock 370Z wheel is. It's got a lot thicker grip. Really good hand positions for the 9 and 3. Now this one I got the leather with the red stitching. So you can see carbon fiber there. Got the leather and the red stitching. So you could actually customize this however you want. So there's different colors: blue, red, green, white, black, and you can get a stripe right about here on the wheel. You can get a stripe, but I didn't really want to get that. I thought it kind of made the wheel look a little funny, so I just left that off there. But got that. Looks really nice in the car. Feels really good. And it cost me about $674, and it took, I believe, 2 or 3 weeks to get here. Just looks really nice, and it's a pretty easy install. I did not do the install myself, but I did watch a video on YouTube and it looked fairly simple. So that is the steering wheel. Thanks for watching.